Since colors shining far and wide, arak waving in the open air, Sindhi topi worn with love and care. From Karachi streets to Hyderabad's light, Sukkah's breeze